So let's run this again. As you can see, the new font is here. Okay, I can copy these, paste here. Let me put the size a little bit bigger. Let's run. Ta-da! Okay, so let's run this again and see what we get. Ta-da! We have our thing working. For each, for example, column call width in frames column with list. For each one, we want to create a column frame. Okay, so frame column is equals to frame, and the master is the parent. What is the width? Is this call width? Okay. What is the height? Is the parent height? Okay. Just to remember you how to set the borders of a frame. Highlight background. We provide the color black, and also we need to highlight thickness, and we provide the number 1. Okay. Last step, frame column, we need to pack side equals to left. Okay, so let me open the terminal and let's run this again. Ta-da, is working. Okay,